Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Ost, the guy that makes 8-bit music. Today we are taking a look at the CORSAIR Commander PRO digital fan and RGB lighting controller. So, tape. Goddamn tape. Which means that for the purpose I have a matching knife. This is, however, not the CORSAIR Commander knife, but I will nonetheless use it in order to get the tape out, because I don't feel like making a 15-minute video where I sit and just peel at things, because I'm sure you have better things to do and I have better things to do than to look at that. I think I got the tape off. It seems like it. Yep. So that was stupid. Once you have the tape off, you get this little coffin looking thing here. So I guess we are now re-erecting the CORSAIR Commander Pro from the dead. And as you can see, the unit is inside the box. And there is a slew of cables. Here's the actual unit, which we can put here. Aside from that, you get there's actually like a little door here. That's kind of cool, which is good considering this is actually supposed to be a fan controller. So manual, warranty information, documents, bunch of cables for different fans and stuff, I imagine. Other bunch of cables and other bunch of cables. So I would say that is it. Yeah, the rest is just for supportive stuff, but let's see if we can't take a look at the actual. This is stupid. Okay, knife has to come out again, and we will do this without damaging the actual. Yeah, so what you do is this. You peel this off, apparently. You don't use a knife, because that can be very bad for the components. Or, in this case, the component, because there's only one. Oops. What is this? This is double-sided tape to put. Here you have all of the different fan connectors, I guess. That's what that looks like. Even more cables for your USB thing, and you have your nice CORSAIR ship here, or the set of sails, which I personally think it's nice that they went back to this and got rid of the tramp stamp design, because that was just silly. So anyway, we'll have to give this a 7, I think, because there was tape, but once the tape was off, you had it was nice and easy to get the thing peeled off, and the actual unit is coated in plastic, and that was difficult to figure out, but thankfully I got some help with that so that we didn't have to sit here and scratch up the unit by using the knife. So overall a 7 out of 10, but you can do better, CORSAIR. But yeah, and if you like 8-bit music, I do make that sort of thing, which I have put a link in the video description to, that you can check out, and see you next time for another unboxing experience review. Bye.